your fish ever stick to the grill? Mine doesn't, thanks to Sir Kensington's mayo. So you might be thinking, okay, mayo on fish, Joel, you've lost your mind. And I have lost my mind. But if you think about what's in Sir Kensington mayo, it's already got the egg yolk, it's got oil, so it actually releases and caramelizes beautifully. So here's what I gotta do. I got the stickiest fish you could ever do, which is a whole trout. I'm gonna stuff the inside with some ingredients. So I've got some thyme, fresh thyme. I've got some garlic. And basically anything you put inside a whole fish is gonna steam and really fragrant and flavor the fish from the inside out, which I love. I've got some parsley, and then finally I've got some fennel and lemon. A little bit of limon. Slice nice and thin. All right, in we go. So you're thinking, Joel, that is an overstuffed fish. You know what I would say to you? You're probably right. We're gonna take a little bit out. I like to grab a little toothpick. So 3 for a little medium-sized trout like this. This is the part that just everyone is just like, what? You're crazy. So I grab a little bit of my Sir Kensington's mayo. I just plop a little bit on the board like that. And then I just take a brush and I kind of start almost like I'm gonna paint. And this is gonna kind of just go over the fish. The eye, the belly, the tail, all the bits. And think about how it kind of sticks to the salt and the pepper, right? But it's also gonna release from the hot grill. So it's a genius hack when it comes to grilling fish. I love it. Onto a warm grill we go. 1, 2, 3. Cool. And then we're just gonna do the other side. So after about 2-3 minutes, just kind of sneak, and you can see, you can even lift this with a wood spoon. Look at that. That. No stick. You can see the crust. All right, so fish is cooked. Lemons look jammy, delicious, but look how it just easy releases. Really crispy on the outside, 0 sticking, no shredding of the actual skin itself. The lemons you can smell, they're jammy, the fennel, unbelievable. This is one of the best ways to eat fish. Definitely the best way to make sure it doesn't stick to the grill. Thank you, Sir Kensington's mayo.